Morning team, it's Wednesday, 10th of May. I'm happy because I don't have to travel anymore. I dodged that bullet, so I'm gonna stay here. At least, I think the 18th I traveled to Italy, so until then I'm gonna make reviews and trade and be focused, and I'm happy for that. So today we got CPI, which the last years became like big news, before was not. So I'm gonna try to get a trade in London Open or London Close if there are big inefficiency left behind. Fuck this mosquito. Okay. So yeah, that's it for news. CPI today, if you're not really experienced, I suggest you to stay away from charts the whole day, or maybe just try to get something in London Open. Charts. I'm not going to lie to you, the bullish dream is kind of slowing down. As I said, I'm gonna be bullish until this swing low hold. So if we're going down and we keep going higher, I can totally see that play because there is a lot of liquidity here. But right now, I'm not super convinced yet. Yesterday, say in New York, I came back home. I said I don't want to short after the daily raid because we took this swing low and this swing low. But the way they closed the daily is not super bullish to me. Look, it's like a QM. You know, they went up, then down, and now it's kind of the pullback. If you ask me, I think we should go higher and then lower again. You know, this is a raid, but it's not like the cleanest. The way they closed this daily candle below this swing low make me think that more downside is gonna come. So this to me right now looks like a liquidity pull. Okay. Let's have a look to hourly charts. Yeah, this liquidity is postponed. Look, you see also, I mean, this swing low is now like the most significant swing low. It was made during the news. But yeah, I mean, they're pushing down and they close below this one and below this one, below these opens, you know. This is what made me bearish. Now this is a beautiful bearish of the block. If we ever go back up here, it could be nice to look for, it would be nice to consider as a sponsorship for shorts, you know. And I was looking at H4 possible areas. Yeah, somebody yesterday sent this idea, or I don't know if maybe I saw it on Twitter, and it looks legit, to be honest. Accumulation, maybe the manipulation, then bam, send it higher. You know, is it possible that they do something like this? Bam, a little bit, and then send it higher. I can see that there is a big untested support here. This is the well, one second, let me clean. This is the block I'm talking about. That I want this one to go to become bearish, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do like we take all this liquidity, come here, and then send it. Is a possible play. I don't know. Maybe CPI can do that. We are 100 pips away. Yeah, is possible. So I was looking at H4 levels untested. This rejection looks lovely because doji sent higher and down. So yeah, this one can easily offer rejection lower, some resistance, and also this fair value gap in OT level is lovely. If we go grinding up slowly there, I think they can offer a short. I don't know where price gonna stop. As always, I take hourly as a sponsorship, low time frame to confirm me, and then I execute. Also here there is this breaker, which is legit, because look at this. Some price higher, took stops, react as a kind of support, then finally gave up. When this happens, I think this kind of level should offer a reaction if retested. I don't know if we're gonna get that back up here or we're gonna just keep dumping from here. Anyway, if both this bearish order block or these bearish areas of interest give up, then we go up big time. You know, if I say that this one doesn't hold, this one doesn't hold, then I think we're going up big time. But I don't think this is the case, okay? Honestly, fractal structure turned bearish. We're printing lower low and lower highs. And you know, even if real structure is still up, I trust the fractal because I'm a day trader, so I need recent price action. I don't need the level from April, from the 10 April. So I need the level from yesterday or today, fresh levels. Okay. Each one doesn't tell me any. I mean, if you think this one with other layouts is the same as this H1 bearish the block, so I think this one can give something. Also, look, let's go to the time frame. Yesterday I had a short here. I had this short, like this. I think it was. It was even a big. It was a big. Stop loss for my usual standards because I don't take a trade with 10 pips stop loss. But I left home. I like this untested M15. I said like, yeah, let's leave a limit here because it was in line with flow everything, but price start to do the barcode here, like literally barcode for I don't know, like 3 hours going sideways and then dumped. I mean, when there are no news like yesterday, you can expect clean price action, but also slow one. So it make you tired. That's why I like it, but I don't trade low time frame much when it's like this. Also, look at this. This is like 6 pips range. I cannot trade in 6 pips, you know, because usually my stop loss has to be at least 3 pips. In 6 pips, what do I do? Less than 1 hour. Less than 1 hour doesn't make any sense. If I get slipped on my exit, I lose 2 hours. So no point. And okay, I'm not going to leave a blindly short here because, as I said, we are coming from a daily raid in discount. Oh, okay. This is the level we react from, right? This little fucker. Yeah. I think it was kind of tested already. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's see. I don't like this low grinding up. I mean, I know the floor right now is bullish, but this doesn't look bullish to me. I don't know. This little shit here is not bullish to my eyes. So I rather favor shorts myself, and I don't know what happened here. Some small news, something. I rather favor shorts, and I'm gonna evaluate these 2 areas of interest. This one and the fair value gap that I mentioned here. I mean, anything above these levels are interesting to me. This one and this one. This is not happening. When we get here, I'm gonna see if I see some low time frame distribution and confirmation for me to go shorts. If these 2 levels start to give up big time, then I'm gonna look for longs. So this is my pivotal area today. That's enough for me today. I think I gonna do a Twitter space for CPI with some friends. You guys are all invited if you wanna join around 2 p.m. Central East time, just to discuss live CPI, because nobody of us trade the CPI because we are cautious. We don't care about the red news gamble. So we're gonna just discuss live and bet on direction or what they're gonna do. So if you are around, I'm gonna post the Twitter link and maybe you can join. That's enough for me today. Speak tomorrow and later with charts in the group. Bye.